coming to all these new places just makes me realize again and again and again and again that how beautiful our planet, this world where we live in is. वो वाला बिकिनी बीच था और यहाँ पे नो बिकिनी। ये सारे ना बार्स नाम के हैं। मालदीव्स में दारू नहीं मिलता है। इट्स अ कंप्लीट मुस्लिम कंट्री, सो देयर इज नो अल्कोहल हियर। गुजराती घर से होने का फ़ायदा, हाँ भी जाओ मम्मी आपको थेपला के बिना जाने ही नहीं देगी। द टेम्परेचर, द वेदर इज़ वेरी नाइस, इट्स warm. Okay, I have come out here, but I'm not able to find my pickup. When you land in any airport in the world, you will find taxis there to take you where you are staying. When you land and when you see the taxis are these boats and the way to your place is the oceans, means you have arrived in Maldives. Look at this blue water. Hello and namaste to everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been at least I think 4-5 months since I made my last vlog. In this vlog, you can see me in front of a laptop right now. I am completing my theory course for the advanced scuba diving course that I'm gonna be doing. Very long and had so many things to do, and I'm leaving tomorrow and I have barely finished anything. I think I will have to stay up late tonight. So tomorrow morning I'm flying to Maldives to do my advanced open water scuba diving course. I did my basic course in March. It's June now, so it's been 2, 3, 4 months. My mathematics is very bad. कल निकल रहे हम लोग सुबह and अभी याद आ रहा है मुझे कि पैकिंग करना है। लास्ट मिनट पैकिंग करने की हमेशा से आदत रही है, चाहे बड़े एक्सपीडिशन जैसे एवरेस्ट पे भी जाओ। इवन इफ आई गो फॉर दिस बिग 8000 मीटर एक्सपीडिशंस, आई ऑलवेज पैक ऑन द लास्ट मिनट। आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट या कल निकल रहा हूँ मैं सुबह मालदीव्स के लिए। कपड़ों से ज़्यादा तो नाश्ता है, क्योंकि बजट ट्रिप है, वहाँ पे खाना बहुत महंगा है। और ये हमारा स्कूबा मास्क, ये गोप्रो की स्टिक है, यहाँ पे कैमरा लगता है। और अगर आप यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो तो ये टूटने को आया है। सो अगर मैं इस हालत में इसको ले जाऊँ पानी में, 100% मेरा गोप्रो जाएगा। तो इसको ठीक करना पड़ेगा अभी। देखो कितना आसानी से टूट गया ये नाड़ा, जो टूटी हुई चीज़ को बांधने में काम आता है। अभी यही यूज़ करेंगे। क्लाइंबिंग की रस्सी तो नहीं मिली, पर क्लाइंबिंग का नॉट लगा के ये जुगाड़ तैयार कर दिया हमने। सुबह के 6:30 बज रहे एंड जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी टू लीव। द कैब इज डाउन। woke up at 3:30ish because I had a trek going this morning from my company, so I woke up at 3:30 in the morning and have been coordinating all that. Barely slept, but yeah, the cab is coming and we'll go. We're all set. ये रही टैक्सी। सरप्राइजिंगली कोई लाइन ही नहीं है यहाँ पे आज। 3 लाख रुपए की दारू। ऑलवेज नाइस टू सी ईशा का स्टोर एट द एयरपोर्ट। बिकॉज बहुत टाइम हो गया है मुझे व्लॉग करे। पब्लिक के सामने शर्म आ रही है यार व्लॉग करने, कैमरा पकड़ के बड़ा अजीब लग रहा है। बहुत सालों पहले जब स्टार्ट किया था तब ऐसा लगता था, देन आई गॉट यूज्ड टू इट। फिर कहीं भी कैमरा निकाल के बक शुरू, अब वापस आज शर्म आ रही है। बट एनीवेज ये एयरपोर्ट का सारा प्रोसीजर जो होता है वो पूरा हो गया एंड आई रियली डोंट लाइक गोइंग थ्रू द एयरपोर्ट प्रोसीजर। काफ़ी आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट फील्स लाइक अ वेरी ह्यूमिलिएटिंग एक्सपीरियंस। आई डोंट नो। अभी आई थिंक 40-45 मिनट्स है बोर्डिंग को। जस्ट एंजॉयिंग द व्यू फ्रॉम हियर। ये क्या कर रहे, पानी उड़ा रहे? को याद है वो बोइंग 747 का वीडियो बहुत वायरल हुआ था। मुंबई से लास्ट बोइंग 747 जा रहा था। आई थिंक और 747 है एयर इंडिया के पास। देखो 1, 2, 3 आई थिंक उन्होंने सारे बेच दिए हैं। आई थॉट वो लास्ट एयर इंडिया का था 747 जो गया। 2-3 और 747 है एंड आई थिंक इसको बेच दिया है। बट 747 इज़ माई एब्सोल्यूट ऑल टाइम फेवरेट प्लेन। लाइफ का एक ड्रीम है कि एक बार 747 में बैठूं। ये चेक इन काउंटर पे जो लेडी थी वो बोलती है आप मालदीव जा रहे हो अकेले? मैंने बोला हाँ क्यों? नहीं, मालदीव्स इज हनीमून डेस्टिनेशन। मैंने बोला बढ़िया है जी, जले पे नमक और छिड़को आप।
हंसदे चेहरे का मतलब ही नहीं।
माले 67A, let's go.
Vistara flight 271 to Mane is ready for departure at gate 67A.
Yeah, it's a direct flight from here. Takes I think 2.5 hours to reach Maldives.
क्या दिख रहा है?
आप लोगों को एक मजेदार बात बताओ। I was supposed to go to Maldives last week. 2 days before leaving, I fell from my bike and I hurt my leg. The wounds were open. That's why everybody said no to entering water with open wounds. When I went to Kathmandu for Everest Base Camp trek when I was leading in March, I chose to fly in business class. And after I flew in the business class, I had promised myself that I will never again fly in the economy class. I will never again go back in the plane, back side of the plane. Maldives के लिए भी business class ही book किया था मैंने, but because cancellation and reschedule, it was getting too expensive. And here I am again at the back of the plane, like literally last seat पे हूँ मैं. Yeah, this is why I prefer traveling in a business class.
बहुत जगह है, नहीं जगह है, बोलने बहुत जगह।
है ना?
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है, वाह।
Very instantly almost smell the ocean here, you know. Okay, I have come out here, but I'm not able to find my pickup. The hotel people were supposed to be here with their signboard. Let's see. Okay, so I found the guy. The boat to my island where I'm staying, Mafushi, is in 30 minutes. So I will show you guys around what is here till we wait for the boat. Okay, we are going towards our boat. We are following this guy. He's gonna take us to our boat. When you land in any airport in the world, you will find taxis there to take you where you are staying. When you land and when you see the taxis are these boats and the way to your place is the oceans, means you have arrived in Maldives. Look at this blue water. And these are the boats that will take us to the islands where we are staying. So that is Male. That is the capital city of Maldives. It's actually a separate island than this airport. It is connected by a bridge which is somewhere there. I will show you guys. I'll go in. Let's catch the best seat. So I think it will take us 30 to 40 minutes to reach Mafushi. So enjoy the ride. Hey! So we are just waiting for the luggage, and yeah, I gave my luggage first, so it must be at the bottom. So here I am on Mafushi for the third time. So good to be back here again. It's almost like coming back home. Yeah, the temperature, the weather is very nice. It's warm as it should be on an island. Yeah, we have to find my hotel now. How far is the hotel, brother?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
There will be a feast and some traditional music also.
Okay, here we are. Okay, brother, thank you. See you around. So let me show you guys the room. This is the bed. I don't know ये क्या बनाया है. Good enough for one person. Well, too big for one person. Hi, I just had a nice shower. It's been a long day. I have been awake since 3:30 in the morning. I had a weekend trek leaving today under my company, so I was managing the logistics and everything at the last minute. And yeah, I'm in the hotel now. Just had a shower. It's 3 in the afternoon, so it's extremely hot outside. I have some work to do. Get that done, and by 4:30 I will go out to the beach, and just can't wait to submerge myself in the waters, man. I have been craving this since such a long time. गुजराती घर से होने का फ़ायदा कि आप जहाँ भी जाओ मम्मी आपको थेपला के बिना जाने ही नहीं देगी. All my attention and time was completely devoted to making the company start on the right foot. So the last 2-3 months have been completely about Phoenix. So I thought let's take a 4-5 day vacation, and just before the trekking season in Maharashtra starts, monsoon comes in, then I have many Himalayan treks to lead. So I thought uske pehle let's do a ocean trip before a lot of mountains. So, and there are some smart asses who replied to me on my Instagram story when I posted that I am here in Maldives that, oh, you are a mountain guy, what are you doing in the oceans? Have you changed your loyalty or have you lost your focus for the mountains? These people don't understand that every element of nature has something to teach you. The question is, do you have the eyes to see it? Mountains has something to teach, oceans have something to teach. We are made of all these elements, earth, water, everything that is there on this planet, if we go out there, has something to teach us, right? So finally the sun is a little bit light. So yes, finally it's time to go into the water. I've been dreaming about water since 2 months, sitting in front of a laptop, dreaming about taking a dip in the oceans, and it's time now. Once again for the camera. Hello brother, nice to see you. I completed my open water course with you. You remember that last dive where I finished my oxygen very fast?
Yeah.
This time we have to fix that problem.
ठीक है.
So we'll get the formalities done for the advanced course, and from tomorrow we start. So tell me brother, what do we need to do? Fill the form? Yeah. Okay. This whole island we can walk around it in 7-10 minutes. Not a very big island, but it's so cozy, so friendly, and the vibe is beautiful here. So here is the beach. I have been waiting to go in here. God, so happy to be here. iPhone को पानी में लेके आया हूँ बहुत हिम्मत करके. So ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं रहूँगा, मुझे सिर्फ आप लोगों को दिखाना था. Now I'm gonna keep my phone and gonna enjoy the dip by myself a bit, okay? Sunset is happening, and look at this beautiful view from here. It's nice, huh? It's so nice. When I came last time, I stayed in that room there. Couples का romantic dinner की तैयारी चल रही है इधर. फिर मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, मुझे ये गोरे लोग को जब देखता हूँ मैं, पूरा दिन, whole day they are in the sun, not moving, doing nothing, going in the water, coming back, going in the water, coming back. इतना पेशेंस है ही नहीं मुझ में. ट्राई किया मैंने 10 मिनट में मुझे लगा कि भाई बस हो गया. 99% people here are couples. They've come with their better half. मैं शायद पहला इंसान होऊंगा जो मालदीव्स सोलो ट्रिप करने आया. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे उनको कपल्स के साथ देख के.
हंसदे चेहरे का मतलब
ये सारे ना बार्स नाम के हैं. मालदीव्स में दारू नहीं मिलता है. इट्स अ कंप्लीट मुस्लिम कंट्री, सो देयर इज नो अल्कोहल हियर. या इट्स अ बार फॉर एवरीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम अल्कोहल. देखिए जी, इस दिल में आज बैठ के 2 लोग खाना खाएंगे. बढ़िया है जी, बढ़िया, लगे रहो. वो वाला बिकिनी बीच था और यहाँ पे नो बिकिनी because it's a Muslim country, so there are some restrictions and conservative rules which we must respect when we come to anybody's land to make sure that we don't disturb their way of life, their culture, right? क्या बढ़िया रास्ता है यार. आई डोंट नो कैमरे में कैसे दिख रहा है क्योंकि उल्टा पकड़ा है, बट दोनों साइड नारियल के झाड़, पूरा सिनेमैटिक. And before we end this vlog, I have something very special to show you guys, something very stunning, something very beautiful. ICOM Tours in Mafushi, they arranged a wonderful trip for me to a place called as Fish Tank. There you can see hundreds and thousands of fishes with stingrays, and sometimes you are lucky to see sharks also there. So I went to the fish tank trip organized by ICOM Tours in Mafushi, and what a beautiful experience it was. Before the vlog ends, enjoy the videos from the fish tank trip organized by ICOM Tours. We have come to a spot where, well, it's called Fish Tank. It's my third time here. You see a lot of stingrays and a lot of fishes here. Yeah, very excited to get in the water. Coming to all these new places just makes me realize again and again and again and again that how beautiful our planet, this world where we live in is.